Wait, why is that one underwater? It's supposed to be floating. What? That one is just floating. You're shaking their head yes, and that one's shaking his head no. Seahorse. Oh, the turtle.
Ever wanted a robot for a friend?
Low light level. Camera off, inactive.
I turned it off. There it goes again. See. This one's flat. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it got off.
I'm so tired of running.
Ah!
Oh. No! No!
It's not. How can I possibly get? Come on, Simon. Okay? You're thinking about the zipper of Elvis Presley's black leather jumpsuit. No. Wait. No. You sure? Oh, you're just trying to confuse me now. No, really, I'm not, man. What were you thinking? Huh? What were you thinking about? I forgot.
I'm tired. I'm going downstairs.